Please subscribe to Mr. Tech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos.
Hey guys, I'm here for Mr. Tech. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to enable Chrome's new extension menu in your Windows PC. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first of all you want to update your Chrome browser in your Windows. If you don't know how to update, so just click on three dots like this and here go to the help, and from here you can see about Google Chrome. Just click on it. From here guys you can easily update your Google Chrome browser. So after updating you can use this feature. So before this guys, you can see more extension. I have added some extension, so you can see my toolbar is full as you can see. So after enabling new extension mode, so let's see how it's look. So first of all, in the Google Chrome URL box you want to search chrome //flags like this. After this hit enter, and here in the search flag you want to search extension toolbar menu. By default the option was the feature was disabled. Just click on drop down menu and here you can get one option enabled. Just select it and here you can see relaunch now. Just click on it. After this guys, your Google Chrome browser was automatically closed and automatically open. As you can see, after opening you can get one new extension menu. As you can see, my all extension was hidden in this menu. Just if you want to see all your extension, just click on this icon. As you can see, your all extension was here. So this is the very nice update from Google Chrome browser. All my extension was hidden in this menu, so looking very cool. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can play your dots in the comment section below. Thank you guys.